Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte transmission slipping issue and its potential causes. Transmission slipping occurs when the vehicle unexpectedly changes gears or feels like it is not engaging properly while driving. Verified causes may include low transmission fluid, worn clutch components in manual models, or issues with the automatic transmission valve body. Transmission fluid leaks or contamination could be contributing factors. Some older Forte models may experience electronic control module glitches affecting gear engagement. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Possible solutions include checking and topping off transmission fluid, servicing or replacing worn components, and having the transmission control module inspected by a certified technician. Owners have reported that timely maintenance often reduces slipping occurrences. Newer models may show fewer slipping incidents due to updated transmission designs. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for accurate diagnosis and repair. Transmission slipping issues can vary widely depending on model year and driving conditions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.